Greetings of the day. I am Lakshman Jajodia, Assistant Professor, GS College of Commerce, Varda. In the last videos, we have gone through with what is business finance, what is its nature, its significance, objective, scope, and lastly, in the last video, we have seen what are the functions of financial executive or financial manager in the organization. Now, we will move towards the classification of sources of fund, how the sources has been classified differently by various types of funds. The first classification is based on the period, that is according to the period for which we have raised the fund. It can be long-term source, medium-term source or short-term source. Long-term source which can be raised for more than 5 years, medium-term source 1 to 5 years, and short-term source 0 to 1 year, in which we have to redeem the fund within 1 year for short term, for medium term from 1 year to 5 years, and for long term it should be more than 5 years. Second type or second classification for source of fund would be based upon ownership. How the funds are owned, owned by the organization, whether they are raised by organization through their own sources or whether they are borrowed funds. So it can be classified into two types: own fund, which are raised by the organization, for example by having reserves, by using retained earnings. These are the own sources. Second one could be the borrowed capital, or borrowed sources can be through debentures, through bank loan, through any kind of short-term raising by going to the commercial market. Third type is the by source of generation, based upon source of generation from where they are generated. It can be again classified into two types: internal sources as well as external sources. Internal sources, the sources which are within the company. As I mentioned earlier, we can take retained earnings as an internal source of fund for an organization. Similarly, reserves also serve as an internal source for organization, whereas when we speak of external sources, loans, mortgages, commercial paper issue or debentures are the examples of the external sources. So broadly we can say that there are three classification for sources of finance. First one is based upon period for which they have been raised. It can be classified into three types: long term, which has to be raised for more than 5 years; medium term, which has been raised from first 1 year to 5 years; and last one is the short term, which has the maturity within 1 year. Second one was based upon the ownership, own funds which are raised by the company, which company don't have to pay to anyone as redemption. Second one was borrowed capital, which has been borrowed from someone like debentures or loans, and which is to be redeemed after a fixed period. Third one was based upon source of generation, whether they are internal or external. Internal sources generated within the company, external sources generated from outside the company. In this unit, we will study about the classification based upon the time frame, that is based upon period. First of all, we will start with the long-term source of finance. Long-term source, as I have mentioned earlier, it means the source which has been used by the company for the purpose of using the funds for long term, that is for more than 5 years. Usually these funds are raised by the companies for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. It includes shares, debentures, bond, etc. When we speak of share is an part of the capital which is being divided into various numbers. For example, if a company has 100 crores of capital, company would divide that capital into, for say, a share of ₹10 each. So in this way, a share serves as a portion, a small part of the capital, which serves as a long-term source of capital, which is only redeemed or given back the amount of money after winding up of the company or liquidation of the company. That is what the share is. Share can again be divided into two main categories, that is equity share and preference share. In this video, we have discussed about classification of sources of fund, on the basis of period, on the basis of ownership and generation. In the next video, we will discuss about equity share, its features, rights, advantages and disadvantages. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you.